Yo, 2012, the wackest movie ever. So do not go and see that shit. I'm gonna put this shit on my YouTube. The tsunami's coming. Hurry up, yo. Walk fast. That's the wackest movie ever. Do not waste. How much was it? $20.50 to go watch that bullshit. Fucking nigga is like God right now over there in the Atlantis. This is bullshit. Like, this nigga's like Superman. Like, oh, come on. First of all, the kid don't know how to swim, and then at the end, he swims perfectly. Let's go catch a cab, son. My movie theaters was whack. Damn, sorry for this whack-ass fucking movie I picked.
First you was late 20 minutes, and then you had me watching this shit.
You see? You try to be nice, but it doesn't get you nowhere.
Fuck out of here.